how to change WhatsApp email instantly. So if you want to change your WhatsApp email, then first open up your WhatsApp application. Go for the upper right, which has that three dots, and then go for settings. And here you can go for account. And under account, you will have email address, right? Tap on email address and here you will have your email. So if you want to change your email address, then simply go for the pencil shaped icon, which is on the right side. And then you can add another email address. And then tap on next. And you will receive a code to the following email address. So you need to enter that code here. To view the code, you need to open up your Gmail account and log into your Gmail account that you have just used. And here you will get your WhatsApp verification code. So you need to simply copy this verification code and then you need to paste it here and tap on verify. And that's it. Your email address has been changed. So that's how you change your WhatsApp email instantly. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.